So today I am going to do my first influencer unboxing. I never got this. Is I'm gonna show my address, but it's the Camo box. It says influencer underside and Camo. I'm gonna go right ahead, and so here it says get the app, discover, review, and share. So I was given this so I can review it. Okay, and here is the inside of the box. So we got this, and it says e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and this is a 16-hour camo concealer. Is our most full coverage long wear formula. This is just saying that it's disclosed for free or complimentary for testing purposes. So yes, that's why I got it. And this again is the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm gonna tell you what shades I have it in. So they just put this black thing, and these are the two. So the first 16-hour camo concealer, but this is in the rich chocolate. I hope you guys can see that. Let's see. Go ahead and open it and swatch it. Okay. So this is just a closer look of what the tube looks like. It should be. Oh, this is kind of big. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it, swatch it on my hand and show you guys. So I think this should match my skin. So this is the rich chocolate, and then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the rich cocoa. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this, but this, so on the one on the top right here is the rich cocoa, and this is the rich chocolate. I feel like the rich cocoa is closer to my shades, but I can also get away with this. Probably use this like for my eyebrows, and this for concealing. So again, this is for testing purposes. I'll probably do it in the next video where I actually like try. I just want to show my influencer box with you guys. So hopefully, hey guys, welcome back. So this is another day I'm filming this. You guys already saw the e.l.f. Cosmetic products, and I'm going to be using them again to show you how they work on my skin. But I thought I'd just do like a basic makeup look. Since I'm gonna wear the concealer, might as well just do a look. So just to show you guys what I use on my eyebrows, I use the Wet n Wild, and this is in the color Pretty in Mink. I believe that's the color. And I use a different eyeliner, e.l.f. concealer that I already had for my brows, and this is in the color medium. And this is, at least this e.l.f. product actually came in a good time. This is what the color looks like, because it looks like my concealer is almost done anyway. So I've already been using e.l.f. I have a lot of products from e.l.f. I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation, my Smashbox foundation. I apologize if there's any noise in the background. They're doing construction by my house, so, and that's to film up here. I think I'm going to, so I just actually bought this lipstick not so long ago. This is the Nika K lipstick, so I think I'm going to use this, and it's in the color maroon. But first, I'm not going to put anything in my eyes. Let's see what I have. I'm going outside, but I'm not going to like an event or anything, but I wanted to review the products for you guys. So I need my brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna use like a brown color, just something neutral, not too in the face. And I don't know which color this is, but Okay. Now I'm going to use my Nika X. I'm getting to the concealers, I didn't forget. Okay, now if we saw my unboxing, we got two different 16-hour Camo concealers. This is the Rich Chocolate. Hold on, if you can see that. Focus. This is the Rich Cocoa. So I'm gonna do, I guess, the Rich Chocolate on this one. Oh, this is the Rich Chocolate. Rich Chocolate on this side and Rich Cocoa on this side. So Rich Chocolate. Right? Yeah. And as you can see, the thing is, the application thing is very thick. And so that was the Rich Chocolate on this side, and I'm going to put the Rich Cocoa on this side. Okay, so this is Rich Cocoa, and now I'm going to use my blender. Let's blend. See if this blends well into my skin. I don't see anything. Oh, right here. Looks like it blends pretty well. Okay, now this side. This one looks pretty good too. But this one looks like it just went right through my skin. Pretty awesome, huh? So I think I definitely recommend the 16-hour Camo Concealer. I know a couple of people were telling me like it's bomb, but you know, I wanted to try it for myself so I can tell you guys like what's the deal. But as you can see, I have no leftover mark. I'm gonna do some highlights. Why not? What the heck we doing? Ooh, I'm shining. But that's it for this makeup. Hope you enjoyed my short review. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys my review of the two 16-hour Camo, 16-hour Elf Camo Concealer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.